मिर्जापुर का अति प्रतिष्ठित शिक्षण संस्थान एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज के प्रांगण में हम इस वक्त मौजूद हैं और जिस तरीके से छात्र छात्राओं के अलावा उनके परिजन आज अति उत्साहित दिखाई दे रहे हैं। कारण सिर्फ एक है कि बच्चों के द्वारा जो प्रस्तुति की जाती है, बताया जाता है कि इस प्रस्तुति के पीछे काफ़ी मशक्क़त स्कूल प्रशासन के साथ साथ छात्र छात्राओं के माता पिता भी करते हैं। चूँकि जो बच्चे प्रदर्शन करते हैं, जो बताते हैं, वो किसी भी ऐसा क्षेत्र नहीं है जो वो अछूते रह जाए, चाहे वो शिक्षा का क्षेत्र हो, चाहे सिलेबस का हो, चाहे इकोनॉमिक का हो, चाहे ग्लोबली हो, चाहे करेंसी को लेके हो, सॉइल के बारे में लेके हो, किस तरीके से बेहतर जीवन शैली जी जा सकती है उसके बारे में हो, कैसे सफलता प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। जीवन के प्रत्येक क्षेत्र में एक नए मिसाल कायम करते यहाँ के छात्र छात्राओं के अंदर उस समय आत्मविश्वास का समुंदर दिखाई देता है जब बच्चे हजारों लोगों के सामने अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करते नजर आते हैं। फिलहाल जनपद मिर्जापुर का एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल की तीनों शाखाओं के अलावा एक अन्य शाखा लालडिग्गी शाखा भी अब अपनी प्रतिभा को निखारने में निरंतर दिखाई देता रहा है। शायद यही कारण है कि जनपद मिर्जापुर में अगर टॉपर लड़कों के नाम की घोषणा होती है तो उसमें एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल के छात्र जरूर दिखाई देते हैं।
We are the students of class 8D. Today we are going to represent a model of renewable and non-renewable resources. Now Anmol will going to tell you about the resources.
Or anything that fulfill human needs. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, use, our means of transport, means of communications, and determinate facilities are all examples of resources. There are three main types: human resource, human-made resource. Now, next topic will be
Now I am going to tell about renewable resources. So renewable resources are resources that can be regenerated after use in a relatively short span of time, such as solar energy, air, and water. Next will be explained by Vishesh.
I'm going to explain about solar energy. Solar energy is the light and heat from the sun that can be converted into solar energy and used as a renewable energy source that can be harnessed using for solar panel and mirror. Next will be explained by Shivam.
Thank you, Vishesh. Now I am going to explain about a renewable source that causes the kinetic of moving water to generate electricity. Electricity hydropower plant use dams or the shear structure to alter the natural flow of a river. The electricity generated on the water, the flow and volume. Next will be explained by Nadiksha.
We are going to explore the world of 3D shape. Now I will be learn about different type of 3D shape and how they will used in our daily life. Now discuss about the cube. They have 6 faces, 12 vertices and 8 edges, and they used in our daily life in the form of dice and Rubik cube. Next will be explained by
She has told you about cubes, so now I will explain about triangular prism and square pyramid. Firstly, let's discuss about triangular prism, which is a 3-dimensional polyhedron that has 5 faces, 2 triangular faces that is base, and 3 rectangular base faces. There are 5 faces, 9 edges and 6 vertices. We use triangular prism in our daily life in the form of pastry and camping tent. Now let's discuss about square pyramid. Square pyramid is a pyramid in geometry that has a square base and 4 lateral faces. We see square pyramid in our daily life in the form of electrical tower and mailbox post.
Has told us about the triangular prism and the square prism. I am going to tell you about the pentagon pyramid. The pentagon pyramid has 5 triangular faces which connect the base to the apex. The apex point of the pyramid where the faces meet. The pentagon pyramid has 10 edges, which are the lines. The pentagon pyramid has 6 vertices, 5 on the base and 1 at the top. Its daily life uses tea bag and okra. Now I am going to about the 6 faces, which are the cuboid has 12 edges, which are the lines. The cuboid has 8 vertices, which are the points where the edges meets. Its daily life example is book and eraser. Next will be explained by Pawan.
The tetrahedron has 4 triangular faces, each of which is an equilateral triangle. The tetrahedron has 6 straight edges, each of which connects 2 vertices. The tetrahedron has 4 vertices, each of which connects 3 edges and 3 faces. Its daily life examples are salt crystal and sugar crystal. Now, next will be explained by Ansh.
First about cylinder. The top and bottom surface of cylinder are circular and parallel to each other. The imaginary line that passes through the center of the two bases is called the axis of the cylinder. The distance between two bases is called the height of the cylinder. Thank you for.
मैं अर्चना जायसवाल, यहाँ पर मेरा बेटा पढ़ता है, शेष जायसवाल, क्लास 6 में। यहाँ पर टीचर इस समय बच्चों के ऊपर बहुत अच्छा से पढ़ाई करा रहे हैं, उनके ऊपर पूरा ध्यान दे रहे हैं। और जो है कि ये छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम्स के जरिए हमारे बच्चे काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट कर रहे हैं, उनकी पढ़ाई में बहुत ज़्यादा मन लग रहा है। और इन सब चीज़ों से बच्चे काफ़ी आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, उनका प्रोग्रेस आगे बढ़ रहा है, पढ़ाई में मन लग रहा है। और हम लोगों को भी ये सब चीज़ें देख के बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है कि हमारे बच्चे काफ़ी हर क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। ऐसे ही हर स्कूलों को आगे बढ़ते रहने के, बच्चों को प्रोग्रेस में हाथ बटाना चाहिए।
थैंक यू सो मच। मेरे बच्चों की तरफ से थांगा पेंटिंग, जो कि तिब्बत की एक पेंटिंग है, वो बनाया गया है और ये बच्चों ने अपने हाथों से बनाया है। इट्स नेम कृष्णा गुप्ता एंड ऑल ओवर ग्रुप्स। इस थांगा पेंटिंग में ये बताया गया है कि आप ध्यान योग करके किस तरीके से अपने जीवन में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। और आपको पता होगा ये कि इसमें महात्मा बुद्ध जी को शो किया गया है और जिसमें गले में उनकी 3 लाइन्स भी दिख रही है। और उसमें ये बताया गया है कि ध्यान योग करके आप पढ़ाई और भी चीज़ें जो हैं वो प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। तो अब
Thank you, ma'am. This Thanga painting is famous from Tibet. Thanga painting is all the areas were painted in those mentioned already included Ladakh, Tibet and Himachal and India. Next
The purpose of Thanga have a variety of uses, but they are usually used in the death rituals in Buddha's ceremony. The world's most expensive Thanga painting is the embroidered Thanga, which is bought by the Liu Yushin for about $45 million. Is seen as the most expensive Thanga. The most talented artists of Thanga art are Master Thula Lama, Master Bujhel Singh, and the next will be explained by Dipti.
Himachal Pradesh, Dharamshala and Lahaul and Spiti district in Himachal Pradesh. It is also practiced parts of Russia, Kalmykia, Buryatia and Tuva and Northeast China. That's it. Thank you. Developed alongside the tradition of Tibet Buddhist wall painting, which survived the once existed. The Thanga originated in 11th century.
एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल मुजफ्फरगंज के प्रांगण के बारे में इस बात की चर्चा सर्वत्र सर्वाधिक होती है कि न सिर्फ यहाँ के छात्र छात्राओं में अनुशासन दिखाई देता है, बल्कि लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति कैसे की जाए इसके लिए साल भर अनवरत विद्यालय प्रशासन प्रयत्नशील दिखाई देता है। स्कूल के डायरेक्टर राजेश सिंह जी हमारे साथ हैं और एडू कार्निवल के मौके पर हम सब यहाँ मौजूद हैं। बहुत बधाई सर, शानदार बच्चों का जो प्रदर्शन होता है, क्या मकसद होता है इस एडू कार्निवल के माध्यम से, क्या शिक्षा देते हैं बच्चों को?
बच्चों को प्रेजेंटेशन, प्रैक्टिकल और एक्सप्रेशन को प्रेजेंट करके हम लोग उनको सिखाते हैं, जिससे वो सिलेबस की हर चीज़ को समझ पाएँ और उसको जान पाएँ और उसको उपयोग कर पाएँ। तो इससे ये सकारात्मक जो नॉलेज उनको दिया जाता है टीचर्स के माध्यम से, पूरी टीम के माध्यम से, वो बच्चों को बहुत समझ में आती है और उनका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है, जो अपनी बात को कहते हैं, रियली काबिल तारीफ़ रहती है, एक्सीलेंसी रहती है। तो इस सब चीज़ों को बार बार रिपीट कराते हैं हम लोग।
जो बच्चे जो बोलते हैं, जब हजारों पेरेंट्स के सामने कई बार रिपीट करते हैं, कहा जाता है कि ये अविस्मरणीय रहता है। ये लॉजिक क्या नई शिक्षा पॉलिसी के अंतर्गत ये भी आता है?
बिल्कुल, स्कूल की जो लॉजिक है, लविंग केयर एंड प्रॉपर गाइडेंस, इसमें सभी टीचर्स का कॉपरेशन रहता है बच्चों के, कि वो बेस्ट गाइडलाइन करती हैं, जिससे कि बच्चे वो सीख पाते हैं और जो अंदर की बुकिश नॉलेज है वो उनके माइंड में प्रेजेंटेशन के रूप में आ जाता है। वो बुकिश नॉलेज हमें जीवन भर पूरा याद रहता है, ये प्रैक्टिकल के रूप में।
राजेश जी, वर्ष में कितनी बार एडू कार्निवल का आयोजन होता है?
हम लोग एडू कार्निवल का लगभग 2-3 बार करते हैं, जिससे बच्चों को सिलेबस के आधार पे उनका प्रिपरेशन हो सके और वो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट को समझ पाएँ, जिससे कि एडजेक्टिव है या और भी चीज़ें हैं, इस टाइप की चीज़ें वो समझ पाएँ कि असली नॉलेज क्या। इसमें सभी क्लास के बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। इसमें हमारे सभी डेडिकेटेड टीचर्स हैं, जो कि बच्चों के साथ अथक मेहनत करके हर बात को हर पॉइंट पे इंडिकेट करके सिखाती हैं और सीखने के बाद वो जो है आप सबके सामने इतना बड़ा, इतना अच्छा एक्सीलेंसी परफॉर्मेंस दिया हुआ है, जो कि इन बच्चों को पेरेंट्स का कॉपरेशन, बच्चों की कॉपरेशन तो रहती है। हमारे ढेर डेडिकेटेड टीचर्स हैं जो हार्ड वर्क करके, स्मार्ट वर्क करके पूरा अच्छी चीज़ें जो है प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं और बच्चों के करियर को सेफी फ्यूचर देते हैं।
एक अंतिम सवाल लोग ये जानना चाहते हैं कि शुरुआत ज़िले में आपने की थी, इस जो है त्यौहार की तरह आप शिक्षा को जब मनाने लगे तो इसका एक बहुत व्यापक संदेश जाने लगा। अब आपको लगता है कि ये अनवरत जारी रहेगा और इसमें धीरे धीरे जो है इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा?
बिल्कुल, क्रिएटिव चीज़ों के लिए हम हमेशा रिसर्च करते रहते हैं, नई चीज़ों का ऑब्जर्वेशन करते रहते हैं और बच्चों के बीच में मनोवैज्ञानिक के रूप में हम उनको इम्प्लीमेंट करते रहते हैं, जिससे बच्चे नई चीज़ें सीखते रहते हैं, जिससे उनका जीवन, उनका नॉलेज और उनका कैरियर एक ब्राइट फ्यूचर के रूप में डेवलप हो सके।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने समय निकाला व्यस्त अपने समय में। और ये जो आपने देखा कि ऐसे तमाम कई छात्र छात्राएं हैं जो अद्भुत प्रदर्शन के माध्यम से अपने आत्मविश्वास में भी बढ़ोतरी दर्ज करते हैं और कहा यहाँ तक जाता है कि इस तरीके की जो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज होती है वो अविस्मरणीय होता ही है और साथ में अपने सिलेबस के प्रति जो लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति है उसमें भी काफ़ी सहयोग देता रहा है। दरअसल कहा जाता है कि एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल जब अपने शिक्षक का चयन करता है तो बहुत लॉन्ग प्रोसेस होता है, बहुत कड़ी परीक्षा के बाद शिक्षकों का भी चयन होता है, क्योंकि यही शिक्षक तमाम छात्रों के भविष्य के निर्धारण के प्रति जिम्मेदार भी होते हैं। आजम जी हमारे साथ है जो जबरदस्त। सर बहुत स्वागत है आपका, बहुत बधाई, गजब का परफॉर्मेंस बच्चों ने किया है। ये तैयारी आप लोग एक्स्ट्रा टाइम दे के करते हैं?
Yes, sir. We always give extra time for the preparation of a student, and all the students did very hard work with the help of their teachers and our supportive hand and encouraging hand, our head sir and principal sir.
सर कोई भी सब्जेक्ट बचा नहीं है, चाहे वो वार से रिलेटेड हो, करेंसी से रिलेटेड हो, शेयर मार्केट से रिलेटेड हो, मेटल्स के बारे में हो, स्वास्थ्य के बारे में हो, कोई भी क्षेत्र आपने छोड़ा नहीं है। इसका चयन कैसे करते हैं?
With the help of teachers, we chose each and everything of current topics like war, as you mentioned, war, defense, and banking system also. So we chose with the help of their teachers, our teachers.
एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल में पढ़ता है, जो कि बहुत अच्छी तैयारी के साथ आया है। सेकेंड क्लास सेकेंड सी काव्या, जो कि डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड के बारे में इन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से सारे बच्चों ने बताया, जो कि देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा। इससे बच्चों का मनोबल भी बढ़ता है। ये सब बहुत अच्छा, बच्चों का मनोबल हाई है। इससे क्या होता है, उनका इंग्लिश की जो स्पीड है वो भी बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है। बच्चा इंग्लिश बोलना सीख जाता है, थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट भी बच्चों का बढ़ता है इससे। धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, मेरी बच्ची काव्या मिश्रा सेकेंड में पढ़ती है, एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल नवीन ब्रांच, जो कि बहुत ही अच्छा है। राजेश सर के सिंह के स्कूल का जो हमारे डायरेक्टर सर हैं बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बच्चों को प्रोत्साहित करते रहते हैं। एडी कार्निवल का ये जो मेला लगता है, इससे बच्चे बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रोत्साहित होते हैं, मनोबल बढ़ता है और उनकी करने की इच्छा जो है वो बढ़ती जाती है और बच्चे यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा मन लगा के पढ़ते हैं। हम पेरेंट्स को बहुत अच्छा लगता है और सारे टीचर पेरेंट्स जो भी हैं सब बहुत अच्छे से मेहनत करते हैं। ये जो प्रोजेक्ट वाली काम ये होता है, ये मतलब देखने की जो हम लोगों की उत्साह है वो बढ़ती जाती है कि कब ये साल बीते, अगला साल आए, ताकि हम लोग देख सके कि नई नई क्या क्या तैयारियां हो रही हैं। थैंक यू सर।
Monument of India, their culture and splendor.
Mission in 632 by the Mughal to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal.
A platform come for the sandstone that was used to build Qutub. A deputy employed by establishing the Minar in Delhi. A deputy employed by Muhammad of Ghori started establishing the Minar in Delhi as a memory of victory. Buland Raja is the highest gateway in the world and is an example of Mughal architecture. First to meet to my class fellow. Now we will tell you about early humans. People who live in early Stone Age are called early humans. Next, I will show. Hunted animal for food. They gathered food from plant. Arcani explained. They made tools from stone and bones of animal. They used tools at animal with a near when hunting them. People were of being made movement of a people and encourage to fire change their life. They create fire by rubbing to stone. Thus they beg to use fire to cook and totally. Welcome to the carnival. We are from class 3rd C. Today we explain our topic continental ocean. What is continental ocean? Let's see. The Earth's surface consists of large masses are continents and large bodies of water are called oceans. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. Ritika, you explain. Population that explain. Australia is the only country in the world. Sir, we all are from class 4th A. Today we will about different methods of fabric and knitting.
Of twisting fabric to make yarn. Cotton ball are converted and initiated the Swadeshi movement by taking up the charkha and encouraging the indigenous. Also show you.
Are made by crisscrossing the threads of the fibers together. The yarn threads produced are woven into a fabric sewing machine called loom. So I can also explain how this works. Is twisted into a series of loops to make a fabric or cloth. Yarn can also be knitted together by using of SN Public School. Muzaffar near volcanoes must be prepared for eruption and follow evacuation in order to stay safe. Volcanologists study volcanoes to predict people and the environment. Can create new land, change the landscape and effective the environment. Volcanic gas can travel for and wind acting volcanic mechanisms that open downward to pools of molten rock. When pressure builds up, the magma erupts, spewing out lava, ash and gases into the air. Yeah, volcanic eruption is a natural disaster occur when magma inside Earth rises to the surface. He releases hot lava and as gas. Thank you. हम सब कक्षा 6 के छात्र आपके समक्ष अपनी विषय अध्यापिका अमीना मैम के सहयोग से तितली के माध्यम से विराम चिन्ह को प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं। पहला प्रश्नवाचक चिन्ह, यह चिन्ह प्रश्न पूछने का संकेत चिन्ह है जो वाक्य की समाप्ति पर।
धन्यवाद अनाया। मेरा नाम सुमेरा है। मैं आपको अर्धविराम चिन्ह के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। अर्धविराम चिन्ह वो होते हैं जो ज्यादा समय के लिए रोकते हैं, उसे अर्धविराम चिन्ह कहते हैं। मेरा नाम है अन्य। अब मैं आपको निर्देशक चिन्ह के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। निर्देशक चिन्ह आदेश निर्देश को प्रकट करने के लिए इस चिन्ह का प्रयोग किया जाता है। उदाहरण किसी ने ठीक ही कहा।
अन्य। मेरा नाम अमन है। आइए हम आपको कोष्टक चिन्ह के बारे में बताने। कोष्टक चिन्ह ऐसे चिन्ह जो नाटकों के द्वारा प्रयोग किया जाता है। जैसे कि मेरा दोस्त लिखा था कि तुम ये नाटकों के द्वारा प्रयोग किया जाता है।
About natural disaster, earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden violent shaking of the Earth's surface. An earthquake occurs when the Earth's plate tectonic drop along their boundaries. As two plates move toward each other, one can be pushed down under the other, creating tremendous pressure and static. Next will be explained by. I am going to explain about a flood. Flood occurs when a sudden influx of water submerges, causing danger to the life and property to people living there. People living in a lying area in the.
I am going to explain about cyclone. A cyclone is an intense low pressure center which converts. This formation is more common tropical into which converts. Now
Explain about drought. Drought are generally caused due to deficient rainfall over a long period of time. Thank you for listening us and giving your precious time. Thank you.
I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. We are going to explain the topic land, air and water pollution. Air pollution is the most
Worse effect on plants and animals as well as human beings. Air pollution also lead a lot of lung disease such as asthma and lung cancer. Air pollution also damages crop. Next will be
Water pollution occurs when harmful substance contaminates the body of water, making it unsafe for the humans and the environment. These substances such as chemicals, microorganisms, or biological agents. Next will be accidental waste discharged into water bodies contain a lot of toxic substances that make of water unfit for drinking and bathing, attract to domestic.
Good afternoon, sir. We are the student of class 8A. Today we are going to explain the topic new technologies, which is given by our subject teacher. I am Neha Moria. So let's begin. This is AI.
combined to technology, torch, screen, camera and digital PTM. Digital PTM is referred to the transfer of microchips or semiconductor are integral components in modern electronics. These small silicon-based devices contain circuit that process and store data, enabling the function.
विषय और मैं कक्षा 8 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपके समक्ष समास प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। सबसे पहले समास क्या होता है? दो या दो से अधिक सार्थक शब्दों को एक साथ रखकर नया शब्द बनाना सार्थक कहलाता है। इसके 6 भेद होते हैं। अव्यभाविक समास, जिस समास में पहला शब्द अव्यय और दूसरा शब्द वास्तविकता होता है उसे अव्यभाविक समास कहते हैं। इसके आगे आपको सिद्धि बताएं।
धन्यवाद। इकरा। दूसरा तत्पुरुष समाज, जिसमें उत्तर प्रधान पद होता है और जिसमें उत्तर प्रधान पद।
तीसरा अष्टप्रधान समाज,
जन और विशेष को मिलकर बनता है, उसे कर्मधानी
समास में पहला और दूसरा पद प्रधान न हो बल्कि तीसरा पद प्रधान हो, उसे बहुव्रीहि समास कहते हैं।
Tripathi, we are from class 8C. Our topic is about sustainable development. Sustainable development is growth and progress that aims to meet the needs of the present without compromising the ability of nature. Sustainability. Economic sustainability. Encourage efficient use of resources. Promote an inclusive that's of the technology, and we are going to describe about now next topic will be
Environment sustainability focus on conserving natural resources and biodiversity, emphasize reducing carbon footprints, waste and pollution, support the use of renewable energy. And now next,
Social sustainable ensure access to education, healthcare, and social justice.
Thank you, Ayush. And include 17 objectives such as ending poverty and including the safe energy to achieve the environment globally by 2030. Now next will be explain sustainable development. India and going to the Army, Navy and Air Force are for the 17 India for the stand as a police.
Masood, I study in class 8B. Today we are going to represent our topic, which is based on application of Pythagorean triplet. Now next 10 to years.
Today we will explain about who invented Pythagoras theorem. Sir Pythagoras was born in Samos, Greece, often known as mononymously as Pythagoras. He has ancient
Pythagoras triplet has three positive integers a, b, and c, such that a square plus b square is equal to c square, where a is base, b is perpendicular, and c is hypotenuse. Now next,
Ibrahim, now let us show it step by step. We will take the shortest distance with the help of this laser light. When the light falls on the top of the tower, the distance from base is perpendicular is 24 centimeter. So that when we square both base and perpendicular, then we get the value of hypotenuse. 24 square plus 10 square is equal to 26 square. So 576 plus 100 is equal to 676. Thank you. Now
Light 44 centimeter. The of the building 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter. Then we get the hypotenuse value. 24 is equal to 40 square. 556 plus 1024 is equal to 1600 is equal to 1600. Thank you.
Myself Amandeep Yadav. I study in class 6th. Now today I am going to explain types of angle. My topic is zero angle and acute angle. Zero angle, an angle measured to 0 degree is called zero angle. Acute angle measured to more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. For example, 30, 45, 60, 76 are acute angle. Next will be topic
right angle and obtuse angle. For right angle, an angle which was magnitude exactly 90 degree is called right angle. For obtuse angle, an angle which was greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle.
Straight angle, an angle of magnitude exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. Next topic will explain by Sales.
Explain reflex angle and complete angle. For reflex angle, an angle with a magnitude of more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees and is always at the outside of an
6D. Today I am telling about layers of atmosphere. Let's start. The Earth atmosphere several layers with its own characteristics such as temperature and pressure. The blanket of air that surrounds the Earth is called atmosphere. Next will be explained.
Atmosphere. Atmosphere is a layer of gases that surround the Earth and is vital. The atmosphere.
The layers are the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The layer of the Earth.
Layer in the troposphere. The layer in the troposphere.
Gupta, today we are representing a model of Neolithic race and Neolithic revolution. This model is known for the early humans. The topic guidance is
Suraj sir. Next will be explained by.
It was the last phase of Stone Age. During the Neolithic Age, a variety of development result in intermediates changed the lifestyle of early humans. During this period, humans began to settle down and started farming and also domesticated cattle, horses and other animals. Next will be explained by
Invention of the wheel. So the invention of the wheel was a major landmark in the history of human civilization. The use of the wheel made life easier and more comfortable. Next will be
Was quite common during the Neolithic age. With the potter's wheel, people make a pot of different size and shape. Next,
in the Neolithic Age, nomadic life had been given the lifestyle, settled down in mud houses, plaster coated on wall and structure. I am Paridhi Soni from class 6D. Today we all are going to explain about sentence and its types. So let's begin. A sentence means a group of words that make complete sense. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. It can express a general idea, pose a question or argument, provide a suggestion, make an order or request and so much more. It can express a general idea, pose a question or an order, usually containing a subject and a verb in different type of words. Sentences are four types: exclamatory and imperative. Hand over to Uzma. Declarative and assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is a sentence that states something that make a statement, provide a fact, offers an explanation or conveys information. It is typically end with a period and is the most common sentence in both type written and spoken language. There are two types of assertive sentence: positive sentences and negative sentences. The children are playing in the park. It is negative sentences. I am a student. It is positive sentences. Now over to Aru. We are going to explain the interrogative sentence. The interrogative sentence is the interrogative word. It's a function used to ask which a question. It is a design, request information, confirm detail. They are interrogative of two sentences. Did John buy a present for the birthday? Yes, no, and I am a student of class 6D. Today I explain this about imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that give a direct command or instruction to so known as they provide direction to a listener or a reader. Because they command, advise, request. Hand over to Adit.
From 6E. Today I am telling you about the interrogative. Interrogative sentence may also
study in class 6 and my topic is interrogative sentence.
I am going to explain you about exclamative sentences. An exclamative sentence is a sentence that conveys strong emotions or emphasis and is usually marked by an exclamation point. They often begin with what or how to emphasize a noun. They can also include interjection like wow or else to express a strong feeling. Example: I don't want to go to the beach. How beautiful the mountains are. Additional notes: exclamative sentences convey emphasize, adding emotional intensity to statements. Exclamative sentences are so powerful they can stand alone. For example, wow, I really like you.
myself Anshika Kasera.
Myself Uzma Bano.
Myself Shreya Maurya. We are from class 6E. Is going to represent on the topic of space station with astronauts.
Astronaut. The term astronaut derives from a Greek word meaning star sailor and refers to all who have been launched as crew members aboard NASA spacecraft bound for orbit and beyond. The term astronaut has been maintained as the title for those who join the corps of astronaut who make star sailing their career profession. Astronauts are trained and equipped by a human spaceflight program. They study on Moon, Earth, atmosphere and asteroids. Now over to Anshika.
Spacesuit. Spacesuit are individually tailored for each astronaut. A spacesuit has many parts and features to support the astronaut in life. It provides the astronaut with a supply of oxygen to breathe astronaut from heat, cold and the harmful ray in space. The helmet in a spacesuit can stop even the hunt.
Is Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3 was Indian spacecraft. They are launched a Indian Space Research Organization. In Sanskrit, we say Mooncraft in Sanskrit. On 14 July 2023. Now over to Aditya
L1. Aditya L1 is an Indian satellite that will be used to observe and explore the sun.
This is India's first space mission to the sun. Aditya in Sanskrit means the sun. This mission was launched on 2 September 2023 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. It is carrying 7 different scientific tools that will help in its mission. It is expected to orbit the Lagrange point 1 L1 of the Sun-Earth system in 2024. A satellite at this position will help to
Myself Anushka Gupta. We study in class. My name is Anushka. Good morning, everyone. Myself Anushka Gupta. We study in class 6D. So my topic is exploring drawing. Today we are thrilled to present the journey into the world of drawing, a world where imagination and creativity comes alive. Drawing is more than just an art form. It's a universal language, a way of expressions, emotions, ideas, and creativities. Let's start. The expression for century dating back to cave paintings. Explanations. Next will be explained by Will.
Is not limited, so that we can known for its previous power to create entire worlds which does not exist. The drawing is known for their amazing craft. The drawing is the made of it colors. थैंक यू।
है और मैं एसएम पब्लिक स्कूल कक्षा 8 की छात्रा हूँ। आज का हमारा विषय है जल है तो कल है। आज का हमारा मॉडल वर्षा जल संरक्षण यानी वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के ऊपर है। जल जीवन का मूल स्रोत है और हमारे जीवन ज़्यादातर जल पर ही निर्भर रहते हैं। वर्षा जल संरक्षण से जो पानी हम जमा करते हैं उसका उपयोग हम कहाँ कहाँ कर सकते हैं, इसके बारे में आपको हर्षिता बताएगी। यानी हमें वर्षा जल संरक्षण यानी रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के बारे में बताया है। इसमें जब बारिश होता है तो उसका पानी
योग ड्रिप इरिगेशन यानी ड्रिप सिंचाई के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। ड्रिप सिंचाई आधुनिक और कुशल पद्धति है। इसके आगे आशीर्वाद।
हमारा जमा किए हुए पानी का उपयोग हम कई जगह कर सकते हैं, जैसे हम बगीचे में पेड़ पौधों को सींच सकते हैं जो संरक्षण पर ही जिंदा है, और तमिलनाडु ने तो इसे 2001 से ही अनिवार्य कर दिया।
जल संरक्षण के महत्व की ओर ध्यान आकर्षित करने के लिए हम इसे प्रतिवर्ष 22 मार्च को मनाते हैं।
वांशिम अस्ति अहम छात्राम अस्मि मम विद्यालय नाम एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल। अस्माकं विषयम् अस्माकं प्रतीकं चिह्नानि प्रत्येकं देशं प्रतीकचिह्नानि भवन्ति। एते देशस्य परिचारिका भवन्ति। एतेषां स्वीकरोत् इतिहासः विशिष्ट भवन्ति। एता भारतस्य परम्परा परिचारिका सन्ति। राष्ट्रगानं श्री रवीन्द्रनाथ टैगोर अस्य रचयिता भवन्ति।
पुष्पं भारतस्य राष्ट्रपुष्पं कमलम् अस्ति। एतत् पुष्पं भारतस्य पारम्परिक गौरवस्य च प्रतिनिधित्वं करोति। अस्य उपयोगः
राष्ट्रीयफलम् आम्रम् अस्ति। एतत् अतिमधुरम् एण्ड् पोषकतत्त्वं च पूर्णं भवति। राष्ट्रवृक्षः वटवृक्षः भारतस्य राष्ट्रवृक्षः इति मन्यते। एषः अनेके औषधीयाः गुणाः सन्ति। एषः एकतायाः दृढतायाः च प्रतीकः अस्ति।
भारतस्य राष्ट्रीय पक्षी मयूरः अस्ति। विश्व एव सर्वधानिक सुन्दरः मनमोहकः च अस्ति। राष्ट्रीय पशु अस्माकं राष्ट्रीय पशु व्याघ्रः अस्ति।
नदी भारतस्य राष्ट्रीय नदी गंगा अस्ति। एषा दीर्घतां पवित्रतां च नदी अस्ति। अस्याः धार्मिकं महत्त्वं च उपयोगः भवति। भारतीयानां हृदयवासु गौरवस्य च सुचारु कुर्वन्ति।
My name is Alkama Ansari from class 8D. We are the student of SN Public School. Today we are going to explain about Chandrayaan 3. India's third lunar mission Chandrayaan 3 made history on 23 August 2023 by successfully achieving a soft landing on the moon, and the fourth Russia, China and US landing on successfully on the Earth natural satellite. Further will be explained by Avika.
Everyone, my name is Avika Yadav from class 8th D. The objectives of Chandrayaan 3 mission: first, to demonstrate a safe and soft landing on the lunar surface; second, to demonstrate a rover roving on the moon; third, to conduct a SUTI scientific experiment. Further will be explained by Arkam.
From class 8th D. The polar region is more challenging compared to the equatorial region. The lack of enough sunlight and extreme cold conditions up to 230 degrees Celsius lead to difficulties in instrument operation and sustainability. The polar region may contain water according to scientists. Components: Chandrayaan 3 is a 3-component mission consisting of a propulsion module, a lander module and a rover module. Further will be explained by Siddharth.
Good morning sir and ma'am. My name is Siddharth Gupta. I am telling about you on Chandrayaan 3. The lander and the rover module long figurization up to 100 km lunar orbit. The lunar orbit Earth surface and instrument to study a land surface. Next.
Fun day. Today I am from 8D. Today we are going to tell about Chandrayaan 3. Lunar surface temperature surprise when Chandras.
My name is Simupta. I study in class 8D. We are students in SN Public School. Today I will explain about agriculture working model is a science project that can help us irrigation and agriculture. Here that know about agriculture. Definition: agriculture is a science that practicing of crop and animal care.
Farming method. Some modern farming methods include precision farming, hydroponic and aquaponic, and vertical farming. These farming help us to increase efficiency, reduce waste, and produce sustainable food. Next will be explained by Shreya.
Some types of agriculture include extensive farming, intensive farming, plantation farming, subsistence farming, shifting cultivation, and mixed farming. Next will be explained by Siddharth.
Siddharth Gupta. Today we are telling about agriculture and its importance. Agriculture are important for many purposes, supporting livelihoods and food habitat and jobs and buildings, food habit and strong economic. Explained by Akriti.
Next topic is agriculture employment. In developing countries, the agriculture sector plays a vital role in employment, where it provides jobs for millions of people. That's all about our topic. Thank you.
Tell you about number system. My topic is natural number. When we begin to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, numbers come naturally, so hence these numbers are called natural number. The smallest natural number is 1.
Mine, thank you, Sivans. My topic is factor. A number which is exactly divided by the given number is known as its factor. For example, the factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6, which is exactly divided by the given number that are not divisible by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 are example of odd number.
The topic is even number. The number which are divisible by 2 is even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next topic is explained by
integers. So the set of integers, negative number and whole number is known as integers.
Will be explained to multiple. Multiple are the obtained by a given number. For example, 4, 4, 8, 12, 16 and multiple of 9, 9.
अस्ति वयं सर्वे कक्षा षष्ठस्य छात्रा स्म अद्विष्यस्य श्लोकः अस्ति प्रथमः श्लोकः नास्ति विद्या समं चक्षु नास्ति सत्य समं तपः नास्ति राग क्रिया है विद्या अर्थात ज्ञान के समान कोई नेत्र नहीं है सच बोलने के समान कोई तपस्या नहीं है लगाव के समान कोई दुख नहीं है त्याग के समान कोई सुख नहीं है We study in class 8. Today we are going to tell you about verb. A verb is a word that indicates a physical action. For example, a lion roars. Roars is a verb. There are 6 main types of verb: infinite verb, interrogative verb.
Verb used in a sentence object such as
Describe the action of a person or things. For example, eat, sleep and write. Linking verb. Linking verb connect the subject of
past 2 types word and participle 3 1 regular word the participant 3 in verb. Next
Verb that is resolved to it is called translation verb. Asia is the largest continent by size. The highest point in Asia is Mount Everest, 8,850 meters. Africa is the second largest continent. It is the only continent that is divided 2 equal halves of the equator. Next will be
South Africa. South Africa is the third largest continent in size, and 3 large countries including USA, Canada and Mexico cover most area of this continent. The longest river in this South America. South America is the 4th largest continent by size. Panama Canal through it connects the Atlantic and Antarctic Ocean. And largest continent by size. It is a circular landmark.
My topic is Europe. Europe is the 6th largest continent by size. It is bordered by the Antarctic Ocean. The Mediterranean Sea in the south.
Australia is the smallest continent by size. It is an island surrounded by Indian Ocean in the west and south and the Pacific Ocean in the east. The world's largest coral reef called the Great Barrier Reef is myself Gauragiri from class 5th B. Our topic is means of communication. When we share our information and thoughts with other people, it is
we communicate with one person or a few people at a particular time. It is called person communication. Later, mobile phone, post box are some means for person communication. The message sent to a large number of people at a particular time. It is called mass communication. Newspaper, radio, magazines. As my name is Aditya Kumar Chaudhary. Today I am going to explain a math shape city. This is a cube. A cube is a 3-dimensional shape, 6 square faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. All of it is a shape consisting of all points in a plane that are at the given shapes and given distance from a given points.
cube is a Madhubani painting, which is also known as Mithila art, is an intellectual style of Bihar that originates from the Bihar when women in Mithila down in through generation. Next will be Paridhi.
These are also known as the Mithala painting, the World High Organization. Janak commissions artists. Next people explain.
The damage caused by a big earthquake, he came across these paintings on the interior walls of homes in Bihar.
Government facial waves for the global painting.
Painting can be either large like or small like miniatures. Today we are going to explain about types of motion. There are different types of motion like translation motion, rotational motion, periodic motion and non-periodic motion. An object moved on axis in different parts for a different distance given intervals of time. It is said to be done rotational motion. As well as repeat itself after equal interval of time are called periodic motion. Example object undergoing periodic motion. Example of periodic motion: the earth rotating in axis, the hand is a clock, the glove is a rotating electric fan. The next
Myself Imshan Sari from class 7C. Today I am very excited to talk about lines and angles. You might think what's so interesting in lines and angles, but trust me, this is
Lines and angle are essential in architectural engineering or and even art. There are different type of lines are.
Angles are all around us, from the pyramids of Egypt to the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Lines and angles are circular. Lines and angles are circular in
70. Today we are going to the represent model commercial advertising. Advertising is defined as a form of communication that aims to persuade a person to buy a product. Commercial advertisements are defined as to purchase a brand or product. Advertising can be linked with clothes, storage, brands, or etc.
Advertising is just not aimed at persuading the buyer to buy a certain product. It also has some advantage. It creates a demand for a buy, making consumer more and more.
मैं के साथ की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपको अलंकार के बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ। अलंकार को आभूषण या गहनाई समझा जाता है। अलंकार दो प्रकार के होते हैं, शब्द अलंकार, अर्थ अलंकार। आप चमत्कार उत्पन्न करे जिनमें मुख्य रूप से 3 अलंकार होता है: अनुप्राय, यमक, श्लेष।
आपको बताना चाहेंगे अनुप्रास अलंकार, जहाँ एक ही वर्ण की आवृत्ति बार बार हो उसे अनुप्रास अलंकार कहते हैं। यह प्रत्येक शब्द के पहले, दूसरे, तीसरे या अंतिम में भी हो सकती है।
जोड़ा 2 शब्द एक साथ आते हैं किंतु प्रत्येक बार उनका अर्थ भिन्न होता है। उदाहरण खरकुल, कुलकुल, सा बोल रहा। आज का विषय है कबीर के दोहे। काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में पर लय होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब।
देखन मैं चला, बुरा न मिलया कोई, जो मन खोजा पड़ा, मुझसा बुरा न कोई।
जी कहते हैं कि यदि बुराई खोजने चलोगे तो आपके आसपास बुराई नहीं मिलेगी।
आई सोए के दिवस गवाया खाए, हीरा जन्म अमोल है, कौड़ी बदले जाए कबीरा।
मनुष्य अपनी रात सोने में बिता देता है और दिन खाने में बिता देता है। कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि मनुष्य का जीवन हीरे के समान अनमोल है, इसे इस तरह व्यर्थ ना करें। धन्यवाद।
Parents and teachers, my name is Fatima Khan from class 7C. Today we are going to representing the poem about Florence Nightingale. In this,
Emma Lazarus is a tribal Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. The poem being by describing Florence Nightingale is a presence in a hospital.
The final image of the poem is one of devotion and reverence. The pieces are described as rising from their bed to see Florence Nightingale, and some even kiss her shadow. The emphasized
conclusion: the poem is a beautiful Florence Nightingale selfless work and compassionate nature thought. It's vivid, imaginary and powerful.
Today we are going to represent our topic properties of circle. So let's start. Circumference. The circumference is the total length of the boundary of a circle. It can be thought of as the distance you would travel.
Diameter. The diameter is the longest straight line that passes through the center of a circle and touches 2 points on its circumference. It divides into two
Skin Jahan from class 7D. Today we are going to represent our Pichwai painting. So let's begin. The word Pichwai means hanging on a bag, and it's derived from Sanskrit word. The presence of Lord Krishna is want to know about it. Thank you.
To represent our project on a vertical farming. Vertical farming are unlike traditional farming on a flat field. Vertical farming are a shelf and a tall structure to grow.
Biggest benefit of vertical farm, it help can less water.
That it reduces the need for pesticide as vertical farm. So, my name is Samiksha Pandey. We are the student of class 7C. Today we are going to represent the topic of model of market around us, which we prepared under the guidance of our teacher Swaraj sir. Wholesaler act as intermediaries between producer and retailer. They buy good in bulk directly from producer and sell them to the market.
Retailers sell product to the customer for their personal use. They buy goods from either manufacturer. Customer, they sell different type of good to the people. Retailer also offer many benefits.
The specific day of the week, the shopkeeper and trader of this market are also called mobile trade. Market is large in size. Supermarket deal with food item as well as household goods. They are usually self-service store where shoppers can go around and select items of their choice. We are going to explain about the determinants and its types. So let's begin. Determinants are word placed before noun to give information about the noun. They clarify which one, how many, whose and what.
Possessive and demonstrative determinants. Possessive determinants also known as the possessive
Number determinants are words that express numbers and are used to modify noun by indicating quantity or
are the words that express quantity or amount of the
I am Varisha from class 7D and today we are going to represent the model of the natural vegetation and wildlife. So let's start. First of all, I will tell you what is natural vegetation. Natural vegetation factor whose affected the natural vegetation such as slope of land, thickness of soil, moisture and temperature. Now I will define wildlife. Wildlife refers to the
Wildlife are some of the biggest threats to wildlife include illegal wildlife threats, habitat destruction, invasive species, pollution and climate are intrinsic, ecological, genetic, social, scientific, educational, cultural, recreational and
wildlife are the major components of the biosphere and ecosystem. विषय है जंगल की कहानी. नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों सुन सको तो सुनो, इन पौधों की बात, अगर कटे जंगल तो न होगी बरसात.
तो क्या होगा हाल, ना होगा अन्न ना जल, खत्म ही हो जाएगा जल. अब भी वैसे हाथों में अपने नन्हे हाथ अपने हाथों से पौधे हार जाएगा, प्रदूषण भी ले सकोगे सांस खुली हवा में.
तो सुनो इन पौधों की बात, अगर कटे पेड़ तो ना होगी बरसात. Sneha or my study in class 5th. I along with my classmates are going to tell about the lowest common multiple or LCM by this TLM. Now I will explain LCM.
How to find LCM by this activity. Take two numbers 4 and 6. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, etc. And the multiples of
to find LCM by this activity. Take two numbers 6 and 8. The multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. The multiple of 8 are 8, 24, 20. Of the two numbers 4 and 9, the first multiple of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 20. Numbers 8 and 12. The multiple of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on. The multiple of 12 are 12, 24. I study in class 5th. My topic is nutrients. Nutrients, it is a substance available in food that help us to stay healthy. Thus, food helps the main important functions such as bones, teeth and blood cells. Minerals are found in fruits.
And central part of our diet and is important for good health. It can measure fuel source during exercise. It supplies central fatty acid. For example,
what a food group in diet they provide a central element. For example, wheat, rice, pulses and potato. To Edu Carnival, we a team of 4 are here to present the type of adjective. An adjective is a word that describe or modify a noun or pronoun. Type of adjective. There are 8 type of adjective: proper adjective, distributed adjective, quantitative adjective, numerator adjective, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective. Now next will be explained.
There is derived from a proper noun. For example, the English language and the Indian Ocean. Descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective is that one shows the kind and quality.
Numerative is one that shows number or serial order of the person that are further divided into two main classes, definite and indefinite. Adjective is one that refer to each of a number, therefore in number, each, every, other, neither. Interrogative adjective के छात्र आपके समक्ष माँ एक कहानी नामक कहानी को नाटकीय रूप में प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं.
राहुल अपनी माँ से कहानी सुनाने की जिद करता है। उसकी माँ उसे
वर्ड पे गौतम बुद्ध टहल रहे थे। अब आगे देखिए क्या होता है।
कौन निरपराध को मारा? निरपराध को मारा, मैं इसकी रक्षा करूंगा।
मैंने इसका शिकार किया, ये मुझे दे दो।
नहीं, निरपराध को नहीं मारना चाहिए, मेरे पास रहेगा, मैं इसकी रक्षा करूंगा।
नहीं, ये मेरा अंश, ये मुझको दो।
चलो इसका निर्णय करने न्यायालय में राजा करेंगे। राजा के पास एक विवाद लेकर आया हूँ जी, मैं इस अंश की रक्षा कर रहा हूँ, ये शिकार किया है, मारा है।
महाराज, मैंने तो इसका शिकार किया, ये तो मुझे मिलना चाहिए।
मैं ये निर्णय करता हूँ कि ये अंश गौतम बुद्ध को मिले, क्योंकि मारने वाले से बड़ा बचाने वाला है, किसी निरपराध को नहीं मारना चाहिए।
Felicia. Today my team and I are excited to present an important part of Uttar Pradesh geographical richness, Mirzapur. Let us take you through this region using this map as our guide to understand its unique features and significance. Now next will be explained by Ayushi.
Hills, plateaus and river. The Vindh range adds a rugged climb while the Ganga river provides fertile land supporting agriculture. The district is also famous by hills, plateaus and river. The Vindh range adds a rugged climb while the Ganga river provides fertile land supporting agriculture. The
Significance. Mirzapur is steeped in history. It may have highlighted key locations like Chunar Fort, which date back to ancient time and has witnessed several dynasties included Mauryas, Mughals and British. Culturally, the region is famous for its hand-knotted carpets and brush forts, which are exported globally.
My topic is economic contribution. Agriculture is the backbone of Mirzapur's economy. The map shows area where which plants reproduce are wheat, rice and sugarcane. Are Mirzapur
Posterior order of the person that are divided into two main classes, definite and indefinite. Demonstrative adjective is one that point out which person or thing. For example, this person, this thing, this man. When that refer to each ample number, therefore in number, each, every, other, neither. Interrogative adjective is used to ask a question. For example, whose book is this? What book do you like best? Possessive adjective. The words my, our, your, his, her, its when used a proper noun is called a possessive adjective. Thank you.
मैं मनवी गुप्ता के पेरेंट्स हूँ और बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस हुआ स्कूल में, बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाई हो रही है, तैयारी भी बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
क्लास में ठीक है, पढ़ने बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट भी अच्छा आप बनाई हो, मतलब हर सब कुछ। थैंक यू। ये जो बच्चे प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं, सीखते हैं, इसके लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है।
यादव है, मैं कक्षा 8 की छात्रा हूँ और आज हम आपको मुहावरे के बारे में बताएंगे। मुहावरा शब्दों का एक सार्थक समूह है जिसका एक साथ प्रयोग करने पे एक अलग अर्थ निकलता है। उदाहरण, आंखों का तारा होना, इसका अर्थ होता है बहुत प्रिय होना। जैसे आज्ञाकारी बच्चे अपने माँ बाप की आंखों के तारे होते हैं। और उल्लू बनाना, अंधे की लाठी होना। मुहावरे का अर्थ, एक माता चारा गुड़ी पुत्र पुत्री अपने माता पिता के अंधे की लाठी होती हैं। उदाहरण, हर बच्चों का यह हक होता है कि अपने माँ बाप के बुढ़ापे
अर्थ है कोई वस्तु ना मिलने पर उसका दोष निकालना होता है। चिकना घड़ा, मुहावरा होना, बेअसर होना, निर्लज होना।
Explain our project based on types of graphs. Now first topic will explain by Aryash.
Bar graph is used to show relationship between groups. The two items being compared do not need to affect each other. Now the turn to Ansh. Line graph. A line graph is used to show counting data how one thing is affected by another. It's clear to see how things are going by the rise and fall. A line graph shows. Next topic explained by histogram. The graphical distribution of data to discrete a group. A histogram is deal with continuous data. Next turn to
Definition is a pie chart. A pie chart is a types of graphs that represent the data in the circular graph. The slices of pie show relative size of the data, and it is a type of pictorial. The
last one is pictograph. Pictograph is a style.
Here from 8C, we are here for explain about types of angle. Acute angle. An acute angle is one that angle is less than 90 degree. Example,
angle of more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. It is bigger than acute angle and smaller than straight angle, which measures 180 degree angle measured with protractor.
the format by two lines that are right angle. In geometry, a straight angle is divided into 28 straight angles. The next topic will be Sajid. It's complete angle. A complete angle is a 360 degree angle and it is equal to a revolution. It is also called a full angle. The two arms of the angle
make 360 degree overlap each other from a common vertex. A 360 degree does not change the direction of a point or line. Look at the picture given below shows how a 360.
8C. Today we are going to present a waste management. Waste management or waste disposal includes the process and action required in management. Waste disposal includes the process and waste management includes
are prevention, waste minimization, biological treatment, recycling and reuse, and incineration. Now further will be explained by Os.
Thanks, Anand. The benefits of waste management are reduced greenhouse gas emissions, environmental protection, reduces air, water and soil pollution. Now,
Waste management can improve the aesthetic of community, recycling support, sustainable development, and aid in the energy saving. Important of waste management, it plays a circular role in sustainable development and transit
Tend to spoil the air, water, and soil by polluting it. The landfill cause various infection and they spread disease. The waste from mineral waste can.
My name is Arshi Singh. I am from 8C. Today we all have prepared model on the Song of Freedom. This Song of Freedom model is related to freedom fighter. So this model we are celebrating freedom. It's important to understand the contribution of freedom fighter because they fight for right independence. Next will be explained by Manya.
one of the freedom fighter is Mahatma Gandhi. After newer nation of the father of the next will be explained by Abhishek.
Subhash Chandra Bose, who was the founder of Indian National Army, more popularly known as Azad Hind Fauj.
Freedom fighters are the reason we live in a free country. We must honor their sacrifices and aim to live together in honor and peace, ensuring social justice. Thank you.
इस स्कूल में पढ़ती है, यहाँ के टीचर काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, काफ़ी सपोर्ट करते हैं बच्चों को। ये जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है बहुत काफ़ी मतलब मेहनत की है सभी बच्चों ने, टीचर ने भी। बस काफ़ी इसमें बच्चे बस इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं और इसमें लगता है कि हाँ बच्चों ने मेहनत किया है काफ़ी अच्छे तरीके से, मतलब सब ग्रुप बन के करते हैं जिसमें बच्चों के ग्रुप भी बन जाती है अच्छे से।
जो मोरली पढ़ाया जाता है थोड़ा ज़्यादा मतलब उन्हें ऐसा एक्सप्लेन टाइप हो जाता है, तो प्रैक्टिकली वो ज़्यादा मतलब थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्व कर पाते हैं चीज़ें। बच्चे जब प्रैक्टिकली ज़्यादा ऑब्जर्व कर पाते हैं, जो चीज़ मोरली थोड़ा सा उन्हें हार्ड लगता है बोलने में, प्रैक्टिकली वो चीज़ें आती हैं, थोड़ा ज़्यादा वो ऑब्जर्व कर पाते हैं।
में जो ये बनाया है प्रोग्राम हुआ है उसमें जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है वो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है देखने में। जो बच्चे उत्साहित वगैरह होते हैं उससे बच्चों का आगे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, देखने में ही अच्छा लगता है और आगे भी बच्चे ऐसे ही उत्साहित होते हैं।
स्कूल में 8 क्लास में आयुष्मान सोनी पढ़ता, मेरा बच्चा पढ़ता है। इसमें सभी टीचर लोग बड़ा ध्यान देते हैं और ऐसे में बच्चे भी पढ़ने में उत्साहित होते हैं।
पब्लिक स्कूल में जो प्रोग्राम हो रहा है, जो बच्चे बनाए प्रोजेक्ट बहुत ही अच्छा है और आगे ऐसा कहते रहे, और यहाँ के टीचर जो है काफ़ी उत्साहित करते हैं बच्चों को और ऐसे ही कहते रहे आगे बढ़े बच्चे, और हमारा आशीर्वाद है सबको।
पतंगों और अनुशासन, पतंग की डोर हमें संभालती है और अनुशासन की नियम हमें सिखाती है।
कन्या संतुलन की कला हमें सिखाती है कि व्यवसाय और पारिवारिक जीवन में संतुलन बनाए रखना चाहिए।
हमेशा खराब मांझे अलग कर दिए जाते हैं, ठीक उसी प्रकार हमें जीवन में ऐसे व्यक्ति पर विश्वास करना चाहिए जो अनुभवी हों।
अवरोध और गांठ नहीं होती है।
अधिक अवरोध आते हैं परंतु मनुष्य इस पड़ाव पर अधिक नहीं बढ़ता है।
जीवन का नाम है और रुकना मौत है। Buddy, I am from class 8B. Today we are going to explain about soil profile and their horizons. Oh horizons, this surface layer contain lots of humus, plants, roots and soil organisms. Next will be explained by Raja.
This is also reaches humus. The soil mineral get burned down to this layer through a process called leaching. Next will be explained.
Here, some leached mineral layer from above collected and changing the color of the soil. Now next will be explained by Vaishnavi.
This is the zone where the parent rock is broken down due to the process of weathering. Now next will be explained by Aman.
This layer is parent rock.
Explain about different type of soils present in our India.
My name is Saurabh Singh from class 8B. Today we all are explaining about our topic greenhouse. A greenhouse is a building with a glass or clear plastic roof that used to grow plants in a controlled environment. Greenhouse is a warm place to work even when it's cold or outside. Thank you. Now next will be
Benefit of greenhouse include good light distribution, energy efficiency. Greenhouse can lead to a higher crop yield per square meter. Now next will be explained.
Process of greenhouse: increased amount of gases released by human activities. Point first, cutting down forest. Point second, burning fossil fuels. Point third, farming livestock. Now next will be explained by
Thank you others. Greenhouse farming has benefit crop diversification. Or second, extend growing season. Or
Farming is the unique practice of growing crops within sheltered structure covered by transparent or partially transparent material. Now next will be explained by Rizwan.
Temperature inside a greenhouse is higher than the temperature outside because the solar energy observed in the interiors of greenhouse, thus keeping warm. The warm it was helped to plant grow.
अहम छात्र अस्ति मम विद्यालयस्य असम पब्लिक स्कूल अस्ति
है और कोयल भी काली होती है। रंग दोनों में भेद करना कठिन है, परंतु बसंत ऋतु के आगमन पर इन दोनों के भेद को आसानी से समझा जा सकता है। अर्थात उनकी वाणी से विद्याम अर्थम च साधेत क्षणे नष्टे कुतो विद्या करे नष्टे कुतो धनम। इस श्लोक का अर्थ देवेश बताएंगे। एक एक क्षण गवाए बिना विद्या ग्रहण करनी चाहिए और एक एक कर बचा करके धन इकट्ठा करना चाहिए। क्षण गवाने वाले को विद्या कहाँ और धन को शुद्ध समझने वाले को धन कहाँ।
अच्छे के छात्र हैं। आज हम इस मॉडल के द्वारा आप सभी को सिंगापुर के बारे में बताएंगे। आगे की शिक्षा आपको
सड़कों पर अनुशासित ट्रैफिक को देखकर मन प्रसन्न हो जाता है। इसके आगे दिव्यांशी बताएंगे।
राजधानी सिंगापुर की स्थापना सन 1819 में सर सैम्फोर्ड रैफ्टिस ने की। इसके आगे शिफा बताएंगी।
सिंगापुर दक्षिण पूर्व एशिया में एक छोटा सा द्वीप है जो भूमध्य रेखा से 140 किलोमीटर की ओर मलय प्रायद्वीप में बसा है। इसके आगे फरदीन बोलेंगे। संज्ञा की जगह पर प्रयोग किए जाने वाले शब्द को स्वरनाम कहते हैं। स्वरनाम 6 प्रकार के होते हैं: पुरुषवाचक स्वरनाम, निजवाचक स्वरनाम, अनिश्चयवाचक स्वरनाम, निश्चयवाचक स्वरनाम, संबंधवाचक स्वरनाम, प्रश्नवाचक स्वरनाम। अब हम
निश्चित रूप से निश्चित नहीं होते उसे अनिश्चयवाचक सर्वनाम कहते हैं।
Class 6C, we are here to showcase the creativity and utility of everyday material. Use and throw plate which are usually considered waste can be transformed into beautiful and functional craft ideas. Now the next explained by Arohi.
My name is Arnav Yadav from class 6C. I am going to explain my topic with the help of my team members. Till the second decade of the 20th century, historians were unaware that a highly developed civilization flourished in India about 2500 BCE. This is known as Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization. Now next
About seals. A number of seals have been excavated from the different cities of the Indus Valley civilization. These seals are made of terracotta, copper and steatite. They are mostly square shaped, though seals of many shapes have also been found. With the inscriptions at the top, the seals are engraved with figures of humans or animals such as the hump.
Morning sir, welcome to Educonival. Myself Akriti Maurya from class 6C is going to represent our topic photosynthesis. Although life and quality of the atmosphere today depend on photosynthesis, it is likely that green plant evolved long after the first living cell. When Earth was young, electrical storm and solar radiation probably provide energy and solar radiation. Next,
Photosynthesis, the process by which green plant and certain other organisms transform light energy into chemical energy. Nature is used to water vapor and carbon dioxide. Next will be over to Ritik.
Class 6E, and today I am going to tell you about 3D shapes. There are too many 3D shapes, but we have made 6 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, cone, triangle and sphere. Cube is a 3-dimensional geometric shape with the following pattern. It has 6 equal faces. It has 12 edges. Now cuboid is a 3-dimensional geometrical shape with the following. It has corners, edges and vertex. Now over to Nancy.
My topic is human evolution. Geophysical. It is a genus of extinct great ape that lived between 12.5 and 11.1 million years ago in European
Homo habilis, Ramapithecus. The name Ramapithecus derives from the locality of Ramnagar, where several fossil remains were found. It is still believed to have lived between 14 and 9 million years ago. During the Mekong epoch, they walked upright on 2 feet. Now Homo habilis. This species is one of the earliest members of the genus Homo, has slightly larger brain and smaller face and teeth in Australopithecus or older hominin species, but it still retains some ape-like features including long arms. Now,
Volcanic apparent to branchless wall, team member Anmol, Aditya and Samarth will explain number system. For number system, when we begin to count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hence these are called natural numbers, or counting numbers are called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. These are called natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1, and there is no greatest natural number as the set of the natural number extends infinitely. Next topic will explain by Anmol. Exhibit. Did you know everything around us is connected? Let's explore the 2 main terms that make our environment through biotic and abiotic. Now the next explained by Rosie. Vertebrates are living things. Plants, animals, microbes, and even we humans are part of this team. We all depend on each other for our survival. How plants
are non-living components and are non-living things that support a life. Water, air, soil, sunlight, and temperature are all the essential for living.
can abiotic components work together in harmony. Plants need water to grow, and animals need oxygen to breathe. It's a very beautiful
I'm ex-student of this school. I passed this year, and my sister studied in 8th class in this school, and she has made the very beautiful project, and also her classmates have done very good work. Every project is very nice and very good, and all the presentations are also very good, and I like it very much.
सर आज वो ये मेरे बच्चे का आज वो एनुअल कार्बन का प्रोग्राम है और मेरे बच्चे मतलब काफ़ी इंटेलिजेंट हैं। स्कूल जब से एसएन स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं, काफ़ी प्रोग्रेस हुआ है पढ़ाई में, माइंड में। और ये नवीन ये एसएन नवीन स्कूल है जो मुजफ्फरगंज के आसपास पड़ता है। और अभी जब तक हम अपने बच्चे का एडमिशन कराए हैं वो सच में हमारे बच्चे पढ़ने में काफ़ी बेहतर है। मतलब अब से जो पढ़ जिस स्कूल से उस स्कूल से इस स्कूल में बहुत बेहतर पढ़ाई होती है। मेरी बच्ची बहुत अच्छी पढ़ाई कर रही है और स्कूल भी काफ़ी बेहतर है, अच्छा है। यहाँ का हर एक चीज़ टीचर सर राजेश सर ये लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, हम उनसे मिल चुके हैं और स्कूल भी काफ़ी बेहतर है। हमारे 2 बच्चे और हैं, नेक्स्ट टाइम हम इन लोग का भी एडमिशन यहीं कराएंगे। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।
हेलो, मैं जो है आज यहाँ एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल में आई हूँ। आज एजू कार्निवल है बच्चों का। मेरी बच्ची जो है आराध्या श्रीवास्तव यहाँ पढ़ती है क्लास 4th C में, और उसने बहुत ही अच्छा जो है बनाया है मॉडल 3D एंड शेप। बहुत ही अच्छा बच्चों का यहाँ प्रदर्शन है, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा हमें। और बच्चों बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हैं बच्चे और जो भी एक्सप्रेशन कर रहे हैं बहुत ही अच्छा कर रहे हैं।
Myself Anukhi Kasira, we are studying class 4th. Today we are explaining our geometrical part, which is a part of maths.
Circle, it is a closed figure made of single closed line. It has no corners, no vertex.
Types of triangle. Triangle has the 3 vertices and 3 sides. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. Angle, straight and reflex angle. These are used in geometry. It is a points and types of lines. Many types of lines used in geometry. And
my name is Sanya Deswar. We are studying in class 4th. Our topic is Indian currency. The Indian rupee is the official currency of India. The issuance of the Indian currency, the rupee is the subdivided into 100 paise. The is this
and selling in the country. The Indian rupee is managed and reserved by the Reserve Bank.
Notes, Indian coins come in denominations of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee and 20 rupee, and the Indian notes include 5 rupee.
Currency includes image of important national symbol like Ashoka Pillar and Parliament House and the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Very welcome. I'm Faradha Srivastava and we study in class 4C. Our subject is maths and our topic is shape, symmetry and patterns. Our first topic is shapes. 3D. A 3D shape is a solid object that has 3 dimensions: length, width and height. For example, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. A 2D shape is a flat object that has 2 dimensions, length, width but no height. For example, circle, triangle, oval, rectangle and square. Part of a shape are exactly like one another, the dotted line or fold. It's meant of colors, numbers, patterns, arrangement of.
We are studying class 4D. Today we are explaining our topic is factor. All the numbers that divided a given number, there are factored. There are 2 methods to the find of a number: factor tree and short division method.
First method of the factor tree method. My number is 72. 72 divided by 2, then answer is 36. 36 divided by 2, then answer is 18. 18 divided by 2, then answer is 9. And 9 divided by 3, then answer is 3. These are completely divided without any remainder.
Common factor are prime number. Let's see, 2 and 3 are prime number. The number that have only 2 factor 1 in the number itself are called prime number. Thanks.
The Carnival. We are from class 4th A and today we are going to represent a story of Panchtans named Crime Never Pays. Through an act, the character of the play are Birju and Hira, Birju's father Ratan and headman. Now let's start. Once upon a time, there were two friends named Birju and Hira lived in the village of Madhavpur. One day, Birju suggested to Hira to go to the city to earn more money. Hira agreed with him, so Birju went to his father to take permission to go to the city.
Welcome to Edu Carnival. Myself is Fatma Parveen from class 4B and today we are explaining adjective and its type to our working model. Now Kunal, can you please explain?
Yes, my friend, I can do it. Adjective are the words that describe noun and pronoun in the sentence. It describes quality, quantity and this number. Now Sarah will explain about adjective of quality.
Thanks Kunal. I tell you what is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describe nature or quality of noun. It can be shape, size and color. For describe amount, noun or pronoun in a sentence. For example, there is little water in the jug. Do you have some money?
More, some, enough, any, little are some adjective of quantity. Now Fatima, it's your turn.
Topic is multiplication. Here is our model of multiplication and it's of 0 to 9, 7, 8, 56. To Edu Carnival, my name is Swati Chasia. We are studying class 30. Today we explain our topic addition and subtraction. Addition is combining two or more numbers together to get a new total. Let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nritya from class 30. Today we are going to tell about time and calendar. We measure a time in seconds, minutes, hours, days, week, month and year with clock and calendar. Find time of the day, it is usually clocks. And there is a chart series of pages that shows the days, weeks and months of a particular year. To represent an act based of wildlife conservation. Sukhmani, can you explain me what is wildlife conservation? Tigers all over the world have been decreasing rapidly. Efforts are being made by India's government to protect them in lieu of these conservation. I am a student of class 4C. Today we are going to tell you about synonyms. Are the words that have similar meaning. Example, the synonyms of immense is big. Ma'am, hello sir, ma'am, we all are class 30. Today we are telling about the different kind of fans of feather, body feather, down feather, fly feather. Raja, can you speak? Yes, boy. And the body and give shape to the body of a bird. Reed, can you speak? And feathers, they are soft and fluffy and help to birds body bump and tail and help them to fly. Thank you. Different phases of moon. Phase 1 is the new moon which occurs when the moon is between the earth and the sun. The vacuum generation which occurs when the moon has a small silver in the sky. Moon is the third quarter moon which is when half of the moon illuminated surface is visible from earth. The third quarter moon has the last quarter. Phase of the moon is the waxing give us moon which occurs when most of the moon is visible but not all.
हर साल की तरह इस बार भी very outstanding performance by the student and the very nice performance by the staff and the school.
एक्सीलेंट, बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया है. वेरी गुड.
Asian Public School. Hello everyone, my name is Prithviraj. We are for class 4C. Today we are present to show you the process of water filtration. Water filtration is the process of removing or reducing the construction of particulate matter. We use this process to obtain clean and safe water from contaminated water for a specific purpose. Srishti, particles and germs. We use filters and chemicals like a magic for what for cities. It is a magic for water. Yes, rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting and storage rainwater for future use. Public school. Today we are going to tell about land breeze and sea breeze. Divanshu, can you speak? Yes, I can. Sea breeze. During the day, the rays from the sun heat up the land faster than the sea. This land becomes hot and rises up. The sea then blows towards the land and takes takes a pitch at night. The land cools down faster than the sea. Thus, the air above the land is cooler than that above the sea. Rises upwards and cool air from the land flows toward the sea to take up its space. This causes the land breeze to blow. And today we are representing landform and its type through this model. The feature formed surface on the earth. We are showing some different types of landform present on the earth like desert, plate, mountain, hills, plateau, river, island, sea, etc. Now Samriti will explain. And not water, river, sea, ocean, etc. As of class 4th B are going to tell about globes and maps and types of map. A globe is a three.
Class 4C are standing here to explain the physical division of India. Srijit, can you explain this portion of the map?
Aditi, it is the northern mountain known as the Himalayas. It is Ladakh till Arunachal Pradesh. It is divided by 3 ranges of India: Himadri Range, Himachal Range and Shivalik Range.
Sure. This region is the Northern Plains. It covers states such as Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Jack, can you explain this portion of the map?
Yes, sure, Aditi. This region is Great Indian Desert. Now, the Thar Desert it lies in northwestern part of India.
Yeah, George.
This is the Peninsular region divided into Deccan Plateau, Central Island, Central 40, and today we are representing this model which tells how India is the land of unity in diversity. Now Ronak will explain what it means.
In India, we teach unity in diversity.